Before buying Vizio speaker stands, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these stands may look similar, but real buyers have different experiences. Let's uncover what actually works for your setup. Product number 1, Pearlsmith Universal Speaker Stands. First up is the Pearlsmith Universal Speaker Stands, priced at $49.99. What caught my eye was their impressive height adjustment feature, extending from 33.3 inch to 45.1. If you want a reliable stand that gives you flexibility in speaker placement, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a weight capacity of 11 pounds and compatibility with brands like Bose and JBL, these stands can securely hold your speakers while providing optimal sound placement. The adjustable height means you can customize it for the best acoustics, whether you're watching movies or listening to music. Plus, with a solid steel construction and non-slip foot pads, they're designed to stay stable on any floor type. With over 10,400 reviews and a 4.3 star rating, it's a popular choice among users. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the provided instructions carefully, most find it straightforward. So, while it might frustrate a few, it's not a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy and adjustable stand for your bookshelf or satellite speakers. Skip this one if you're looking for something that comes pre-assembled or if you have heavier speakers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for custom setups. Product number 2, Mounting Dream Height Adjustable Stands. Next is the Mounting Dream Height Adjustable Speaker Stands, retailing at $59.98. I was impressed by the variety of floor types it accommodates, thanks to the included carpet nails. If you want stability on any surface, this is a fantastic choice. These stands adjust from 33 inch to 42, allowing you to find the ideal height for your speakers. They can hold speakers up to 11 pounds and feature a wide base for added stability. Plus, the clever cable management system means you won't have to deal with unsightly wires. It keeps everything neat and tidy. With a 4.5 star rating from 4,300 reviews, users appreciate how safe and stable their speakers feel on these stands. Now, a few users noted that the stands could wobble slightly if not placed on a perfectly level surface. But honestly, as long as you take time to adjust the feet properly, this shouldn't be a major concern. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable stand that works well on various floor types. Skip this one if you're looking for something cheaper or if your speakers are heavier than 11 pounds. Now, if the previous product's limited weight capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, Notiella Adjustable Speaker Stands. Third on our list are the Notiella Adjustable Speaker Stands, priced at $42.99. What stood out to me was the dual installation options. You can use them as floor stands or wall mounts. If you want flexible placement for your surround speakers, this is a great option. These stands are height adjustable from 33 inch to 42, ensuring your speakers are at ear level for the best sound experience. They support speakers weighing up to 5 pounds and feature a cable management system to keep things tidy. Users have appreciated the strong steel construction, which ensures stability during use. With a 4.4 star rating from 637 reviews, many have found them reliable for their home theater setups. However, some users reported difficulty in mounting certain speaker types due to compatibility issues. Here's the thing though, as long as you check your speaker's mounting methods, you should be fine. It's a small hassle for a well-rounded product. This is perfect for you if you want versatile placement options for lighter speakers. Skip this one if you have heavier speakers or prefer a more straightforward setup. That was a solid option. But if you're looking for something specifically designed for Vizio speakers, check this next one out. Product number 4, Mounting Dream Universal Speaker Stands. Next up, we have the Mounting Dream Universal Speaker Stands, which cost $59.99. I was genuinely surprised by their universal compatibility, fitting most speakers up to 11 pounds. If you want something that can accommodate a variety of brands, this is worth considering. These stands feature an adjustable height from 32.5 inch to 42.4, providing flexibility for optimal sound placement. The heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures durability, while the wire management system helps keep things organized. With a 4.6-star rating from 756 reviews, users rave about their stability and ease of assembly. However, a few reviewers mentioned that the stands could be a bit heavy, making them somewhat cumbersome to move around. But I'll be real with you. That extra weight actually contributes to their stability, so it's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a solid option that works with various speaker brands. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight or if you have particularly heavy speakers. Alright, that was a fantastic choice. Now, let's look at the final product that might fit niche needs perfectly. Product number 5. USX Mount Bookshelf Speaker Stands. Finally, we have the USX Mount Bookshelf Speaker Stands, priced at $54.99. What caught my attention was their sturdy square base, which adds extra stability. If you're worried about tipping, this could be the stand for you. These stands are adjustable from 32-inch to 42, allowing you to find the perfect height for your speakers. They can support up to 11 pounds and are compatible with many brands like Vizio and JBL. The included cable management system helps keep your setup tidy. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,200 reviews, stability is a big selling point for these stands. That said, a few users felt the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once set up correctly, most people find them secure and reliable. So, while it might be a small learning curve, it's manageable for most. This is perfect for you if you prioritize stability and versatility in speaker placement. Skip this one if you need a quick setup option without any hassle. So there you have it, 5 solid options for Vizio speaker stands, each with their strengths and weaknesses. Whether you need flexibility, stability, or universal compatibility, there's something here for you. To wrap things up, we've covered the Pearlsmith stands for adjustable height, Mounting Dream for floor-type adaptability, Nocella for flexible mounting, Another Mounting Dream for universal compatibility, and USX Mount for stability. Each has its pros and cons, so think about what matters most for your setup. Happy listening!